Good evening, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to share you on how to add Fiverr, like how to add a gig image to your service that you have created on swapd.co. So if this is your first time watching my video, you can please subscribe to the channel, like you can share my video. So the first thing you have to do is like just click the topic. So click on the topic again, just like I did. Make sure you watch my previous video I posted. So just have to choose your topic because I already shown you guys on how to choose a topic before. Just really scroll down and choose the one that related to what we actually created. So then just choose any one, just like stuff like that. So I'm actually make use of this. So now actually on how to add image, like the image that actually explain like a banner or a flyer that actually explain what we are actually rendering. So this is it. Just have to click on this download arrow, just like then input your image directly. Just have to click on it to show you to take you to a desktop that we are actually going to upload your service, like the image. This is actually what you call a Fiverr gig image in Fiverr. So we actually call it a post here. So this is it. Just make sure that I input your price and service type, and that's all. And that's how I actually do it. So if you did enjoy my video, can you subscribe to my channel, like it, and share my video. And when you are actually done creating all the necessary things, just click on create post, create topic, and that's all. So to check whether your topic has been created, you just have to come to like my post. This one doesn't need like maybe you actually have some time to for your topic to get approved. No, it gets approved immediately. So you don't need much stress like maybe you come back to check it or not. No, just when you're done creating like create topic like this, it automatically be live on Swapd, and that's all. So good day everyone.